really interesting question asked, and I thought I'd make a video on it because it is one of those things that a lot of people struggle with, and hopefully this will be helpful. So, your Castor Macis, and I'm sorry if that is a real butchering of your name. They asked, can you please help me out with the math you did here, since there are two oils together? In other words, how much you added of the pomace oil in total, since it's a mix oil? And I think that's a really good question. And I'm going to use both my go-to soap making friend calculator, and I will go to soapcalc.com to do this as well. What I've got here, I've got a new recipe loaded up, and we're going to make it a little bit more interesting. I'm going to use the resize mold. I know I've got one which is 15 by 7 by 7.5. That will do. So I've got a odd total number of oils up here in this section. I've also going to do a 1.8 to liquid to lye ratio there. And then down in this little section here, I've got 4 oils. Now, for the first part of this, you want to treat your blended oil as a single oil. And of that, you know you've got some proportions in there, and you're going to have to be a little bit flexible with this. So what I've done is I've kind of said, okay, I want to have 50% hard oils and I want 50% soft oils. I want some castor oil in there to give me some bubble. I need the coconut oil in there for the cleansing. Maybe 25 is a little high, but this is just kind of for the maths, and you can choose your percentages as you want. Now that leaves me with a 45% olive oil pomace stroke rapeseed mix. Okay, so here we've got our palm oil, our coconut oil, our olive oil, and our castor oil, which has calculated these values for us. Okay, so I know that my palm oil is going to be 136.24 grams. And just to make our maths a little bit easier, but not overly, I'm going to switch that off and just take it down to 544 grams. It's an odd number, and therefore we've got a little bit of kind of working out to do, but it's easy. So our palm oil now is 136 grams here. Our coconut oil is going to be 136 grams because they're both 25% each, and you can tweak these in here really simply. Our castor oil is going to be 27.2 grams, and that leaves us a total of the olive oil pomace at 244.8 grams, okay? And I'm just going to write that down on my little notepad by the side of me, because I now need to work out what percentage of olive oil pomace there is versus the percentage of rapeseed, because they have different saponification values, and I need to know how much of each one is going in so that I can make the relevant lye adjustment. So what we'll do is we'll just look here and we'll see that our lye, our sodium hydroxide, is 76.47 grams, and we'll see how much that changes when we do the next little bit of maths. So we're going to bring up a calculator here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I've got our little calculator here, and we're working with this 244.8 grams, okay? 244.8. Now, the great thing with percentages is you don't have to work in percentages, you can work in decimals. So if I want to know how much 52% of something is, I can multiply that number by 0.52, okay? So if 1 is 100%, okay, 1.00 is 100%. If I want 52%, I do a 0.52. If I want a 33%, 0.33, okay? So that's how we use a multiplication to work this out. Now, I know that my pomace oil within this mix is, say, 52%, and our rapeseed is 48%. So what I want to do is take my 244.8 grams, which is the total in this olive oil pomace, and I'm going to multiply that by 0.52, which gives me 127.29. Let's call it 127.30 because it's roughly there. So what I can do is, the great thing here is I can come over here, I can click on grams. Let me bring my calculator back up a second, and I want 127.30 grams of that olive oil pomace. Okay, so in here I'm going to put 127.3 grams. Okay, now this is going to kind of, this now has kind of moved out of our amount, but what I then can do is take my 244.8, which was the original amount we had, okay, and I can minus my 127.3, which gives me 117.5. So what I'm going to do is search in here for rapeseed. Okay, I can then put 127 apologies, the wrong number there. We can put in 117.5, 117.5 grams into there. Okay, it gives me 544, which was the amount that I wanted up at the top here in my oils. Okay, and then you can see in my percentages, it works out 25, 25, 23.4, 21.6 and 5%. So if I work out what that 52 and 48 would be within that whole amount, those are the amounts. So that's really how I work out the amounts of olive oil and rapeseed oil that I need to use within this particular batch. Okay. But it is very important to remember when you are doing this that you have to add your olive oil pomace and your rapeseed oil amounts together and then pour that amount of the blended oil out, because obviously it's a blended oil, both oils are in it, so you need to add your olive oil pomace and your rapeseed or whatever the blend of oils you've got in your oil are together and pour out that amount of that oil and be as accurate as you can, because obviously that's then going to affect the lye that you're going to use a little bit later on. Okay, so hopefully I've made that very clear that your olive oil pomace in this recipe and your rapeseed would come from that single oil, and you would pour the quantity out of the 122.8 plus 117.5, and it would be those two together. Soap calc here. Okay, and this is what people normally work with. So I'm going to go again with the grams. I'm going to put in 544 grams of oils in here. I'm going to do my water to lye ratio of 1.8 to 1. Okay. That one out of there. So it's 1.8 to 1 here. My superfat is 5. All of that's fine. So what I'm going to do is go through again. This is exactly the same process. I'm going to go into here and I'm going to search for palm oil and add that into my top one. I'm going to search for coconut oil and add that into here. I'm going to search for my castor oil, add that one into here. And then I'm just going to search for my olive oil, pomace, and add that into here. Okay, same principle again. We know we want 25 of this, 25 here, 5 here, and we're going to go for 45 here. Okay, calculate the recipe there. And again, you'll see here, it tells me that I need that 244.8 grams of oil there. All right. So again, what I want to do is take my 244.8. We'll come back into my calculator here. We're going to go 244.8 multiplied by 0.52, which gives me 127.3. 127.3. Okay. And then I'm going to pop into here my rapeseed. There. Okay, and I know that it's not going to be 45%. I know that it's going to be my original number, which was 244.8 minus my 127.3, which equals 117.5, 117.5. And you may have spotted my deliberate mistake here, but the castor oil and the olive oil are switched around. So don't forget just to check your recipes and make sure that everything is right in there before you then go and print it out, because my olive oil and my pomace here are the wrong way around. So, but again, you can see how the principle works, and you just make sure that the right oil is in the right place to get the right lye. Okay. What I was going to just check is to see when we're on this one here, we had a 76.47. You can see that's now gone down to 75.44, and that's why you really need to run your soap recipes through a soap calculator every single time, because that slight change has made a significant change in the amount of lye, and therefore can make a significant amount of change in either your superfat, or it can create a lye heavy soap. So it's really important. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow and allows me to make more videos and tutorials for all of you. When you subscribe, don't forget to click the bell icon if you'd like to get notified when a new video is uploaded. And thanks a lot, Soapsters. I'll see you again next time.